Hey, what's up, guys? So you're diving into software development, huh? Awesome. Whether you're just starting out or you've been at it for a while, there's always something new to learn. Today, I've got a few tips that can help make your development process smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Let's get into it. All right, tip number 1, write clean, readable code. Look, I get it. Sometimes you just want to get things working, and you might be tempted to rush through the code. But trust me, taking the time to write clean code pays off in the long run. Think about the next person who's going to work with your code, or even future you. Make sure it's easy to read and understand, use meaningful variable names, add comments where necessary, and stick to a consistent style. Clean code isn't just a good habit, it saves you time and headaches down the road. Tip number 2, break down your tasks. Software development can get overwhelming fast if you try to tackle everything at once. So break things down into smaller, more manageable chunks. If you're working on a big feature, split it into smaller tasks like design the database schema, build the API, and integrate the front end. This helps you focus, reduces bugs, and keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. Next up, test early and test often. I know nobody likes writing tests, but trust me, they're worth it. Don't wait until the end of the project to test your code. The sooner you catch bugs, the easier they are to fix. Even simple unit tests can save you a lot of time and frustration later. Plus, testing early helps ensure you're on the right track with your code. Automated tests are a game changer, but even just manual testing as you go can make a huge difference. Tip 4, keep learning. The tech world is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. Whether it's a new programming language, a framework, or just a cool tool that can improve your workflow, make sure you stay curious and keep growing. The best developers never stop learning. Read blogs, watch tutorials, attend meetups, and keep practicing. The more you know, the more powerful you'll be as a developer. Tip number 5, use version control. If you're not using Git or some form of version control, stop what you're doing and set it up right now. Version control is a lifesaver. It allows you to track changes, collaborate with other developers, and most importantly, recover your work if something goes wrong. I can't tell you how many times version control has saved my projects from disaster. It's an absolute must. Tip 6, don't be afraid to ask for help. Software development can be tricky, and sometimes you'll run into a wall. It's totally okay to ask for help, whether it's from a colleague, an online community, or a mentor. The best developers know when to ask for advice or a second opinion. Stack Overflow, GitHub discussions, or even Reddit's dev communities are great places to get help. Plus, discussing a problem with others often sparks new ideas. So there you go. 6 software development tips that will make you a more efficient, productive, and happier developer. Write clean code, break down tasks, test early, keep learning, use version control, and don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this with anyone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.